this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect iPhone XR to iTunes on computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up your iPhone XR and connect it to your PC in conjunction with iTunes. This will allow you to download software updates, transfer music, transfer files, and manage your iPhone in general. So to do this, you will need a proper cable to establish this connection. When it comes to downloading iTunes, you can find it under the Microsoft Store or an alternative download place. So make sure that you download the latest version of iTunes, and like I said before, you will need the proper cable. Usually this is going to be a Lightning to USB-A cable, so it will look like this. The Lightning end goes into the iPhone and then the USB-A end goes into your PC. You can also use Lightning to USB-C if you prefer, but basically you need to be able to establish a connection between the iPhone and the PC, regardless of the cable that you choose to use. Once this connection has been established between both devices, you are good to go. Now, if you open iTunes again, your iPhone is going to appear at the top here. So you can choose your iPhone, the details will be listed, so you will see the storage available, you will see the current version, the phone number, serial number, capacity, and a lot of information. You can see settings related to music, films, TVs, photos, info, and so on, and you can manage everything that is stored on your device. Using iTunes is a very easy way to manage settings about your phone, download updates, and transfer files, musics, and so on. So you can synchronize everything, and all of it will be loaded into your device's storage. All that you need to do is establish a connection, like I mentioned before, using the proper cable, Lightning to USB. And once you connect your phone to your PC and approve this connection through a notification that you will get on your phone, iTunes will be able to detect your iPhone regardless of the model. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone XR to iTunes on computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.